Hello, this is Tic Tac, and today we are going to learn how to use the Enhancements tab in the YouTube video editor. So the first feature that we have is the autofix. This will improve the colors in our video, and it might work for some videos, it might not work for others. So that depends on your video. Stabilize, if you put this on, if you've got a very shaky video, it will make it less shaky. Fill light changes the brightness of our video.
Hello, this is
and you can change this so it looks better. Then you have contrast, which makes the colors stand out more. So if you put it like
this is Tic Tac,
like positive, and then we have the colors different, and then if we put this negative, it all be much more grey. And then saturation makes the colors much stronger. So when the video loads, you can see the colors are stronger. And then if we put it on negative, there will be a grayscale. Like and then if we put the color temperature on a positive number, it will be much warmer, the colors, and more yellow. And then negative will be blue.
Hello, this is Tic Tac, and today we are.
And then
hello,
when we put this back to normal, and slow motion will make our video slower.
This is Tic Tac.
And that sounds really funny. Okay, and then we've got time lapse, which is very squeaky. So that sounds funny. Okay, and then we've got the next tab, which is the filters tab. And then here we can choose lots of options like how do you want it to look,
and today
like very weird colors. We can make it all pixelated when it loads. Yeah, this sometimes takes time to process. Or if this one doesn't work, we can just do sketch or thermal.
Hello, this is Tic Tac.
Will pixelate work now?
Hello, this
yeah,
is
if
Tic
you want
Tac.
something very pixely.
Channel, press the customize
That's not
channel.
Pixelated. And then sketch will look like it's always sketch. And then if you want to deactivate it, is just untick it. And then blurring effects, you can customize where you want it blurred. So if you want this top bit blurred, then you put this box
channel on YouTube. So first we bring up
here,
our channel,
and then if we press done, it should process. And you can see there's a blurred box. Then we can untick it. And then if you want it process the faces, so if you don't want someone's face showing in a video, you can just blur it out using the blur faces thing. And then we've got the next tab, which is the audio tab. And I'll just leave it because I don't want it changed. And here, down here, we've got lots of songs we can choose to add to video. And the video, it says that it's royalty free, so you should be safe to use it. And it's copyright safe. So you can use it, you won't be banned for copyright, because that's what it says. So how to add it, you just press add to video, and then you can search all the tracks. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, click the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.